Hello, everybody. I'm Orlando. I'm the head trader here at Learn to Trade, and today I'm going to talk about trading the news. So there's a big misconception about what trading the news really is, and most traders, most rookie traders, think that trading the news is getting in on the trade before the high impact event or before the data dump and expecting the volatile move to go in your direction. Other traders place either stop orders above current prices and stop orders below current prices and just wait for one of them to get triggered. And most of the times they're going to get whiplashed into two losses. Trading the news is not that. That's why you lose money. That's why people tell you to avoid trading the news. What trading the news is using those volatile moves in your favor to get triggered on your orders, to get filled on your orders on the expected volatility that this high impact event will have in price, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you how I trade the news. Don't go anywhere. Let me just roll the intro. All right, guys. So after that beautiful intro, I'm back in front of my charts, and I'm going to explain to you how I used, the news to get filled on my gold longs yesterday. Now, before we go any further, here's my VIP group, and you can see timestamped. It is timestamped. October 3rd, right? That buy limit in gold right here. And today we are October 4th. So in fact, that is not, in hindsight, that was a real trade. Now, before the news, yesterday we had JOLTS job openings out of the US, right? And gold was bullish. My daily bias in gold was bullish. I'm not going to go through the actual setup because the point of this video is explaining to you how I use the news to get filled on my orders, right? I use pending orders, limit orders mostly to get in on my trade, so I trade pullbacks. That means that I buy into weak markets and I sell into strong markets, right? Most traders would enter at market. Most traders use stop orders, but in order to get better risk to reward ratios on your trades, you must use limit orders. I know it's more difficult, but experienced traders manage to make money using limit orders, right? That's not the point. The point is how to know or how to expect a big pullback. Now, gold was trading at these highs from the New York session highs, right, until my entry. We had a more than 110 pips, 117 pips move in gold. I needed gold to move down 117 pips to fill me in on my position, right? So I needed gold to do this because here's where my limit order was. And we had 8 JOLTS job openings at 8 a.m. So here's what happened. Sorry, this is the F1 strategy, right? So here's what happened. Gold, if you look at, I'm actually going to go do this, right? So you can actually see my other chart. This is the DXY, the US dollar currency index. And the US dollar was trading at these levels before the news. So, I'm sorry, that's my squawk. I'm a real trader. That's my squawk. So I needed gold to liquidate these highs in order to fill me in, right? Gold, I'm sorry, the US dollar. So how do I use the news? I don't actually, trading the news is not, entering a trade 10 seconds before the news hit the wire and just expecting the trade to go your way. That's gambling. Leave that, to the TikTok traders. They don't know what the fuck they're doing. But trading the news is use those volatile movements to get filled on your positions, right? Now, if the news out of the US would have been bad, meaning that the numbers would have not meet expectations, then the US dollar would have dipped from these lows and gold would have rallied and I wouldn't have gotten in on my trade, right? Which is fine. But I was expecting or hoping, for better than expected numbers to feel for the US dollar to rally, liquidate those highs, and then come back to its normal daily bias, which was short, right? And that's what happened. Let me show you exactly what happened. All right, so this is what happened. Boom, right there. As you can see, I'm going to stop this. As you can see, right there, with the, and let me just delete this, with the news of a higher than expected jolt job openings, the US dollar rallied, liquidated those highs, and gold crashed, liquidating all the lows that I was waiting for it to liquidate, fill me in on a sniper entry, and took me to profits. And that's how you actually trade the news like a professional. You don't try to guess the direction of the market, but you use those volatile news to get in on your sniper entries, right? So here's a short video of me bragging about that trade. And if you want to trade with me every single day, you know what to do. There's a link below this video where you can get in on my VIP channel.